In the race for the future of electric vehicles, two major players are dominating the competition: Tesla and Chinese automakers. But who's winning the race when it comes to battery technology? When it comes to battery technology, there's no doubt that Tesla has been leading the way for many years. Their batteries are known for their high energy density, which allows for longer ranges and faster charging times. Tesla has also been investing heavily in research and development, with their Gigafactory producing more batteries than any other facility worldwide. However, Chinese automakers have been making significant strides in recent years, with companies such as BYD, NIO, and Xpeng producing EVs with impressive battery technology. One of the key advantages of Chinese EVs is their affordability, with many models costing significantly less than their Tesla counterparts. When it comes to battery technology, Tesla has been leading the way in the electric vehicle industry. From the use of their 18650 type cylindrical batteries in their earlier models, to the more optimized 2170 type, and the newest 4680 type, Tesla has been focused on constantly improving battery technology to provide better performance and range for their cars. Tesla's primary supplier of batteries has been Panasonic, with LG Chem's LG Energy Solution also producing the 2170 type cells in China. However, Tesla has recently moved towards in-house development and production of the 4680 type cells in California and Texas. In addition to cylindrical cells, Tesla has adapted to market demand by using prismatic LFP batteries for their entry-level Model 3 and Model Y, supplied by CATL. Tesla has also recently agreed with Magnis, an Australian-based company focused on lithium-ion battery technology and materials. The agreement involves purchasing active anode materials based on ultra-high purity natural flake graphite from Magnis's graphite mine in Tanzania, and building a US facility to produce the AAM. This move could be useful for Tesla, as it aims to build 20 million electric vehicles annually by 2030. Tesla's focus on battery technology and constant adaptation to market demand has kept them ahead of the competition in the electric vehicle industry. Chinese EVs. When it comes to producing lithium-ion batteries for electric vehicles, it's no surprise that Asian companies dominate the market. In fact, according to a recent analysis by Visual Capitalist, the top 10 global producers are all based in Asia. Chinese firms make up the largest share of the market, at 56%, followed by Korean companies at 26% and Japanese manufacturers at 10%. Leading the pack is China's CATL, which is the top supplier of EV batteries in the world. The company expanded its market share from 32% in 2021 to 34% in 2022, demonstrating its continued dominance in the industry. 1/3 of the world's EV batteries are supplied by CATL, which counts Tesla, Peugeot, Hyundai, Honda, BMW, Toyota, Volkswagen, and Volvo among its clients. While CATL is in the lead, Korea's LG Energy is currently the second largest supplier, with BYD from China closely following in third place. Interestingly, BYD recently surpassed Panasonic in the rankings from 2021 to 2022, indicating the growing strength of Chinese EV battery manufacturers. China's government has taken steps to ensure that CATL remains a Chinese company, providing it with a captive market of battery customers and funding when needed. This has made the company a crucial link in the green technology supply chain. CATL's dominance has also led to fears in Washington that China could eventually control the future of driving in the US, much like oil-producing nations did in the past. Despite the concerns, CATL's success has been partly due to its investment in lithium-cobalt batteries, which have proven reliable and safe. CATL has also diversified its offerings, producing batteries without cobalt, sometimes called the blood diamond of batteries, due to its high price and the dangerous conditions faced by Congo's miners. In comparison, CATL's biggest domestic rival, BYD, bet on traditional lithium batteries and has only recently begun exploring the production of lithium-cobalt batteries. CATL's success has also led to BYD questioning the safety of cobalt batteries. A video test similar to one used by Chinese regulators until recently shows the potential for car fires. CATL's commitment to safety has been demonstrated by its investment in battery technology and the manufacturing process. The company has built a vast factory over 3 times the size of Tesla and Panasonic's electric car battery gigafactory in Nevada. The factory is one of 8 that CATL has under construction, costing over $14 billion. While competition within China's electric car battery industry is fierce, CATL's dominance continues to grow. As the world increasingly shifts towards electric vehicles, the role of CATL and other Chinese battery manufacturers will become more crucial in the global green revolution. LFP batteries are cheaper to produce and safer than traditional lithium-ion batteries, making them an attractive option for mass-market EVs. Solid-state batteries, which are still in development, have the potential to offer even greater energy density and faster charging times than current lithium-ion batteries. Despite the advancements made by Chinese automakers, Tesla is still ahead regarding battery technology. Their batteries have a higher energy density and longer range than their Chinese counterparts, and Tesla has also been making progress in developing solid-state batteries. However, as Chinese EVs continue to improve, we may see a shift in the balance of power in the EV market. So, who's winning the race when it comes to battery technology? It's clear that Tesla is still the leader in this area, but Chinese automakers are catching up quickly. With their focus on affordability and the use of newer battery chemistries, it's possible that Chinese EVs could pose a real threat to Tesla's dominance in the future. However, only time will tell which company will ultimately come out on top in the race for the future of electric vehicles. And that's all we have for today's video. Please be sure to like, comment, and subscribe to our channel for more exciting news from the world of cars. Until next time, drive safe!